our center, we do research on mostly on mobility. So we're going to increase mobility and accessibility for all people, and that's why it has an equity component in it. So we would like to make sure that everyone to have access to transportation and access to jobs and grocery stores and medical services. Because we are educating minorities, students, so we are making a diverse workforce, and so in several Maryland and also in nationwide, all agencies, transportation agencies, and also private industry that doing the transportation work. So we are producing students, diverse students for them, and when we have students with different backgrounds and different ethnicities, they bring different perspectives, point of view, and so it makes our research even more diverse and making sure that we include everyone and we think about every problem. We have been working with MDOT for many years, and myself also, since I joined Morgan, I've been working with MDOT. So we have been doing several research. There are more of the practical and applied research that we have done, and giving recommendation and doing projects that they need, and it has been amazing. Also, we have our students going to MDOT as internship. We have a year-long internship that has been happening for over 30 years, and we're so proud to have this agreement with MDOT. And so our students learning more about what is happening there, and then either MDOT or other agencies that work with MDOT have been hiring our students. That has been a very great partnership.
With my master's, I'm actually I have an offer from Lockheed Martin, which I will be working as a system engineer for them. What I really love about research is that, well, before research, I didn't know how much interest I had in actually just learning new things. And research gave me opportunities to just test out different avenues and just see what really works for me. Do I like coding more? Do I like electronics more? Do I like actually just studying and reading a bunch of research papers just to get new information for people? But all those things, I really enjoyed that aspect of learning and just like being on your own almost, and just like gathering as much information and applying it to the project that you're on. So I really enjoyed that aspect of research.
I think we have a great center here. Yeah, we are using cutting edge technology. I think our future in transportation is light in connected and autonomous vehicle. So yeah, we have a great facility here. Yeah, because we study driving behavior in here using this facility that you just,
Right.
our colleagues just presented. So every time I want to take over a car or use gas to speed up or something like that, use my brake in my car. Yeah, I'm always thinking about the effect of my driving behavior on other people, especially pedestrian and cyclists.
Right now, I have a research that I'm doing with my research professor, which actually concentrate on complete street. All the users have access to the main street, where it include the individual, the pedestrian, the cyclist, and then the everything that should make a complete street. I keep on learning from this environment, from this institution. There are so many new things that have been happening to me, just like this simulator. Seems real. It's like real vehicle driving on a railroad. It's same experience when you driving with simulator and then driving with a rail vehicle. The experience seems similar.
In Morgan has, I think, a lot of opportunities. So I really love to work, especially in this center, NTC, and work with different facilities that we have in this lab. So yeah, I'm an intern at Maryland Transit Administration. I'm a transit analyst, and also both of these jobs really related. So I'm really in the, especially in the traffic and safety. So we with different projects that we have done so far, we can evaluate the driver's behavior and provide this more safe situation, and especially for vulnerable road users. So we want to make safe transportation is we use in daily. So I really want to be beneficial in a specific field that is really useful in daily.
I plan to be an electronic engineering because that's actually has been my passion, and then it has been my basis right from infancy. So even in Ghana, we started building robots which even assist people with like disabilities. So people normally find it difficult to eat even like those without arms. So we built a robot just to assist them even in feeding. So it has been one of my proud motive to help even like people without like people with disabilities. So this has been one of my main reasons why I'm taking this course. At Morgan State University, this is not only the project that I'm doing, but then also in Ghana, I was helping with pothole detection. So we help the country in terms of like identifying pothole detections and then reporting to the government that at this particular point in the road there's a pothole detection. So those patches on the road need to be fixed. So coming back to Morgan State University, especially in transport department, I think that it will help me broaden my knowledge in terms of software, in terms of hardware, and then other stuffs. I see that Ghana, there are actually like a lot of challenges in Ghana which needs to be tackled. And then since I want my report to be saved, because I know that there are like a lot of people losing their lives, so I have taken it upon myself that within this field of studies, I plan to go back to my home country just to add to what is going on.
This center has many, great projects, especially with federal grants and also in different field of safety. And for me, as a PhD student, who I started my program in 2021, it was very impressive to work on different projects, especially safety at this center.
So basically, the main idea of this project is to help people with disabilities. So especially at the airport, at BWI, people normally have to assist people while they are going to actually pick up their airline. So we developed this technology just to help them navigate from the first gate to actually a particular gate that they actually want to go to. It's more or less like a remote control. So even though I'm not touching the wheelchair, I can easily navigate it from my laptop right from here. Okay. So it's just a simple navigation system that we build using deep learning computer vision models, so you can easily navigate through with your laptop without basically holding the wheelchair. As I said, it's still in the testing phase.
We have 3 of these wheelchairs. The main one is at BWI, and we are doing the testing right now. So we find the problems over there, and we test it and fix it in here with other wheelchairs that we have. So we have different versions of it. The goal is to go from drop-off location at the entrance door all the way to the gate without any needing anyone to tell her where to go. And so BWI was gracious enough to let us to do the testing, and we are doing those in several phases, doing all the testing over there.